Chapter 6. The World as I See It, Q. What leads Einstein to feel a strong sense of duty towards his fellow men? Ans. Einstein feels a strong of duty after knowing the fact that a man's whole life depends on the labor of his fellow men who are alive or dead. Therefore, he should repay them quite the same as he is receiving benefits from them. Q2. What is his attitude to property, outward success, and luxury? Ans. According to Einstein, property, outward success, and luxury are not his goals of life. So he hates such people who consider property, comfort, and outward success their aims of lives. Q3. What in brief is Einstein's attitude to leadership? As Einstein believes in such leadership that is the desire of people's hearts, and they should also be given complete freedom to elect their leaders. Q4. On what grounds does Einstein put the individual before the state? Nes. Einstein considers that the most precious thing is not the state, but the creative individual who can create the noble and great things for his state. Q5. What example does he give of service by the state to the individual? Ans. Einstein praises much such a state whose political system provides relief to its individual in his illness or at the time of need. Q6. What is his attitude to war? Ans. Einstein hates war, and he prefers to be cut into pieces rather than taking part in this abominable activity. Q7. What forces does he blame for the persistence of war? Ans. War is based on commercial and political interest of rulers and nations. It would disappear if these interests were not there.